This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 30ths is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Coachman is 36 feet 1 inch in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, refrigerator, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, skylight, TV, awning, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, patio deck, raised patio, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 30ths is 7,600 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.